was a time when Lambu and Tingu didn't have a job. They were sitting at a tea stall, eating snacks and having their favorite tea. They were pondering about life and talking to each other about the sad things.
Oh, Lambu, what is there in this life? Neither a job, nor money, nor a family.
Lambu started eating his snack and then replied,
You are worried about life? I am worried about food. I get very confused when I'm hungry. And life becomes so boring without food.
And after saying that, Lambu had 4 more samosas. And then he gulped his tea and felt super satisfied.
You have said it right, Lambu. I've got a small brain, much lesser than Einstein's. But this world doesn't understand the value of this.
That's when the tea stall owner came to them and said,
I don't know about the world, but I also know the value and also know how to collect it.
Oh, Bablu, what's wrong with you? Why are you so angry?
150 from the last time, it becomes 250 adding today's bill, you know that? If I don't get the money today, I'll show you.
Lambu lifted his big arm and put it on Bablu and said,
What will you do, Bablu? What will I do? I will shut your hotel down.
Then it is all right. That means you have excused us.
Hey, I'll close the hotel for you two, not for everybody.
That's when a Babaji came to the tea stall. He wasn't wearing a lot. Looking at Babaji, Bablu fell at his feet.
Tell me, Babaji, how can I serve you?
Not much, I want. Ensure that you get food.
Bablu quickly got a whole plate of food for the Babaji. And then he placed it in front of the Babaji and left. Lambu and Tingu got really upset. They started looking at him. Babaji quickly ate all his food and left without paying a single penny.
Oh, Bablu, you're not going to take money from Babaji?
Babaji is a great prophet. That's why we don't take money from him. In that sense, we are also beggar. We won't give you any money for that.
That's when they started arguing. And that's when Babaji looked at them and said,
What is their trouble?
What are they troubling for, Babaji? On the contrary, I am in trouble. They don't pay for what they eat.
Babaji looked at Lambu and Tingu and smiled.
Oh, that is all.
Babaji waved his hand in the air and that's when he got a lot of money. Looking at this magic, Lambu and Tingu were shocked.
Take this, Bablu, and leave these kids alone.
Upon hearing that, Lambu and Tingu fell at Babaji's feet.
You are so kind-hearted. You are Samaritan. You are a magical person.
Yes, Babaji. We haven't seen anyone as kind as you.
You have saved us from our debts. But please don't leave us.
Please take us with you, Babaji.
We don't want to live in this world.
We also want to live like you, Babaji.
Oh, my child, get up, get up. The life of a saint is a very difficult one. Will you be able to tolerate?
But out here, our life is no less difficult, Babaji. Please make us a sannyasi.
Okay. The meaning of a saint is relinquishment of worldly life. You want to get out of the worldly life, I'll definitely give an opportunity to you. Come along with me.
And then Lambu and Tingu religiously followed Babaji. They didn't know where they were going, but still they started following him.
Tingu, please ask Babaji. When will he teach us how to make money from the air? I also want to learn that.
Keep quiet. If Babaji comes to know, he'll get very angry.
It was winter time and Lambu and Tingu were feeling very cold. But Babaji was walking normally.
Isn't Babaji feeling cold in this weather?
Don't know. Maybe he's wearing a sweater inside.
Do you see any sweater on his body, you idiot?
Arey dear, he has got magical powers. Must be wearing a magical sweater.
The 3 of them were walking on a cold night and soon they reached a lake. Lambu and Tingu were very exhausted by then. Lambu couldn't catch his breath.
Now we'll take rest near this river. Tomorrow morning, we'll start towards the Himalayas.
Okay. Okay, Babaji. You kindly, with your magical powers, create a tent here for us. We are not able to bear the cold anymore.
Why do you require a tent?
I sleep underneath this open sky.
No, Babaji. We are not used to sleep like this under the sky.
Who said that you're going to sleep?
What do you mean?
I'm going to sleep. Both of you calm yourself by standing in this river.
What?
Yes, under all circumstances, you'll have to keep your body and mind in tranquility. In Himalayas, the cold is much more severe. This is a practice lesson for you.
After saying that, he made Lambu and Tingu stand in the middle of the lake and slept by the shore by himself. The lake was freezing and Lambu and Tingu were feeling very cold.
Oh my God, we are badly stuck here.
Hey, fishes are also bothering me with this cold. I feel I won't survive till morning in this cold.
At least you will be half alive. But for me, the fishes here will gulp me.
What will happen on the Himalayas when the starting is like this?
I thought Babaji will be teaching us some magical tricks. Out here, we have lost all the fun in this life.
You are saying right, Tingu. This life is not for us. Our world is just enough for us too, I think.
Yes, instead of taking all this trouble here, if we work hard, we'll be able to live properly. I have learnt a lesson in this process of becoming a sannyasi.
What?
A saint or an ordinary man. There will be difficulties in life.
So tell me, what do we do now?
What do you mean what to do? We have to run.
Run!
And then Lambu and Tingu ran towards the city and they swore never to come back to that lake. When Babaji awoke, he saw that Lambu and Tingu were missing.
The sun is going to rise and we'll be moving towards the Himalayas. Oh my God, where are these kids? They are not here in the river. Let me look around. No, they are not here also. Seems like they have run away. I told them in the beginning, to become a saint is the most difficult task. It is a very difficult task. And not all can become a saint. One thing is very clear. They could not take the advantage of becoming a sannyasi. Hopefully they will be able to enjoy the benefits of being normal human beings. Okay, let me also proceed towards the Himalayas. Let me hope that these kids, wherever they are, will be happy and always together and never separate. Bam Bam Bhole.
After saying that, Babaji smiled and then he headed towards the Himalayas.